The RS457 is a mid-range sports model developed by Aprilia, combining easy handling and riding pleasure. To realize the concept of light sports, the company focused on making a parallel twin-cylinder engine installed on the vehicle. On the engine, Aprilia implemented various innovations down to the smallest detail, such as integrating the cooling water and blow-by circuits to eliminate as many hoses as possible, and dividing the crankcase horizontally to reduce volume. So there is an increase in space freedom that allows the installation of a twin-spar aluminum frame or swing arm directly connected to the engine, resulting in reduced weight and a smaller wheelbase. Thanks to this accumulation, the RS457 managed to achieve dimensions of the 250 cubic centimeters class and a dry weight of 159 kilograms. This design idea is directly derived from high-end sports models such as the RSV4 and RS660. At the front, with a 41 millimeters diameter inverted fork, with a travel of 120 millimeters, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, and the braking system uses 320 millimeters double discs at the front, with 4-piston Brembo calipers, and 220 millimeters at the rear, with a single-piston caliper. Both are monitored by ABS, which can be deactivated. There is also a 5-inch color TFT display and an electronics package equipped with a ride-by-wire accelerator, which allows 3 riding modes, affecting engine output and traction control. The engine is a liquid-cooled, inline-2, 4-valve per cylinder engine that produces 48 horsepower. The front is dominated by the full LED headlight, which combines the latest generation of Aprilia's signature lights with direction indicators incorporated into the light unit. The body color is set in a single-color racing stripe. The color is based on the Aprilia MotoGP engine, giving the impression of a replica racing motorcycle model. The RS457 is expected to be released sequentially starting around February 2025. That's it.